BYD has completed testing for the YangWang U9, the second model from its premium sub-brand, priced at 1.68 million yuan, $235,000. This electric hypercar, featuring 4 engines and a carbon monocoque, has been rigorously tested at the Nürburgring for the past 6 months and is now ready for delivery. The first units have already been produced, as reported by Car News China. Sales began in February with a non-refundable deposit of 300,000 yuan, $42,000, though there were delays in serial production. BYD has promised compensation in the form of credits for advance payments, usable at service centers. The 5-meter U9 boasts 4 326 HP motors, totaling 1,306 HP and 1680 Nm of torque, accelerating to 100 km/h in 2.36 seconds and reaching speeds over 309 km/h. It features an 80 kW battery, offering a 450 km range, CLTC cycle, and supports ultra-fast charging, replenishing 30–80% in just 10 minutes. Unique to the U9 is the Daisus X Hydrop pneumatic suspension, which controls body movements and enables dynamic features like bouncing and dancing on 3 wheels. Unofficial dealers are listing the U9 in Russia for 31 to 39 million rubles. Future models include the YangWang U7 super sedan and an extended U9 SUV with a 3rd row of seats.